Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make bitter gourd juice. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy bitter gourd juice weekly once for best results. This bitter gourd helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. It is very good for your eyesight, reduces stress and eliminates bacteria. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Before starting, let's go and pick one fresh bitter gourd from our garden. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Cut off both the ends. Cut it into quarters and remove the seeds and you can discard them. Now cut the flesh into small cubes. Transfer the bitter gourd pieces to a mixer jar. To this add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Grind this well. Now to this add 1 cup of water and grind well again. Filter and transfer the bitter gourd juice to a mug. Then to this add 1/8 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix it well. Now our healthy bitter gourd juice is ready. You can enjoy this right away. You can drink this weekly once in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy, healthy and an immunity boosting drink. So do try this bitter gourd juice recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Today I've taken one big bitter gourd. Cut both the ends and you can discard them. Now cut it into 4 quarters. You can now easily pull out the seeds. Likewise, keep ready all the 4 pieces. Now make thin slices like this. Make sure you make it very thin. Then cut it into very small cubes. Likewise, cut the entire bitter gourd and keep it ready. Now add it directly to a bowl of water. To this add a tablespoon of salt. Mash it well using your hand so that the bitterness slightly reduces. Let this sit for an hour. After an hour, drain off the water and keep ready the bitter gourd pieces. Now heat a pan. Into this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When they splutter, add 1 onion finely chopped, few curry leaves and 2 green chilies. Saute well until the onions are transparent. Now go ahead and add the bitter gourd pieces and saute for 5 minutes in low flame. Now to this add 1 tomato chopped and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The bitter gourd already has a lot of salt in it, so be very careful in adding salt. Mix it well. Now the tomato is well done, so go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of dal powder. Already made a video on how to make dal powder. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Mix it well. Now to this, crack in 2 eggs. Keep the flame in medium and mix it well until the eggs are well done. Make sure the eggs are well spread and evenly cooked. Now after 2 minutes, the eggs and the bitter gourd pieces are well done and ready. So off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now a delicious bitter gourd egg stir fry is ready. Serve it hot with some steamed rice and curry and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and an immunity boosting recipe. So do try this bitter gourd egg stir fry recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.